Hi all, welcome back. So today is 30th November 2022 and the markets are already closed for the day. So in this video, let us try to see how Nifty and Bank Nifty performed today. And let's try to give the key levels so that we can plan for the tomorrow's intraday position. So for that, let me go to the charts directly. So this is the Nifty 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, so if you watch my yesterday analysis video, Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis video, we have plot these three levels in Nifty. So saying that this will be the key resistance. This is the yesterday all-time high actually in the Nifty, that is around 18,670. So we have plotted that as a key level, key resistance mainly for today's moment, and the key support would be 18,600. This is what the key levels which we have mentioned in Nifty, and also the other support, and that is around 18,500 roughly. But we mainly said that we can focus mainly on these two levels only. So as expected, Nifty is traded most of the time it was traded in the zone whatever we have expected in the yesterday analysis. Like it opened in between these key levels which we have plotted. That is around opening was around 18,633, and after some sort of small selling, immediately it reached to that key resistance level, and then again it started falling from there. And after getting the selling attempt here, they started slowly going towards the key level again. Okay, so again, yesterday's day high has given enough resistance for the day. Right, we are seeing initial first 5-minute candle got rejected from that yesterday day high, and also after reaching there again, they spent a lot of time here. I think it is around 1 hour duration. I think, let me check. So after reaching to that yesterday high or the day high, it spent of almost 1 hour 15-minute time there, and slow after spending that much time, they slowly going up again, and after going up, they retested this support. I mean, once after going up this level, whatever the level with which it is getting rejected from yesterday, so it has become a support, and they have tested that support also. I mean, they fell down again to that level, and they make sure that buyers are there or not. And immediately after coming to this point, there is a big bullish candle, complete green candle, and immediately from there on, buyers took it up to the new all-time high in the Nifty, so which is almost around 18,815. So the move is very much good. I mean, the way they moved is very strong towards the upside direction, but only thing is that this particular move has happened after 3 p.m. So mostly, if it is an after 3 p.m. movement, we will not be getting the chance to take the intraday positions mainly, because after 3 p.m. we'll be having only hardly 5 to 10 minutes of time only to take the trade. So this particular move has not given chance to anybody, mainly intraday traders, to take the position. But apart from that point, taking the trade also, the move, we don't know to what extent this strong buying will continue. So taking the trade is very much risky, even though we are seeing big candles, green candles towards the upside direction. We don't know where to keep the target, because this is the all-time highs. And finally, after reaching to 18,815 level, it got some sort of profit booking candle over there. So for now, what we can say, this is the all-time high for the Nifty, and let us plot that as the key resistance for tomorrow. Okay, so we can say that. So tomorrow, as we have plotted yesterday what happened? We have plotted this level as the key level for today, because this is the yesterday's all-time high level, right? Today that has given a good resistance during the morning session, and also in the mid section also. It got enough resistance over there, but finally buyers managed to go up and take this, retest that support level, and they went and they made a new all-time high. So in the same way, whatever we have planned yesterday, let's plan the same thing. That is tomorrow's session or tomorrow's intraday. This all-time new all-time high key level will be the key level for tomorrow. That is around 18,815, and the support will be this one only, because this is the support from where they went up to the new all-time high. So this will be the key support for tomorrow trade, and we can ignore this third line, because this zone itself is a very huge zone, right? From 18,670, they moved up to 18,815. So this zone itself is consisting of 150 points, around 150 points roughly. So this itself is a very big zone. So most possibly this support and this resistance will be the key level for the Nifty for tomorrow. And since we are seeing a very strong buying happening in the Nifty, so tomorrow also look for the buying option only. Don't think about selling, because we don't know, as we're seeing, that how at what point of time buyers will come in and take away from our side. So don't be on the selling side in Nifty for a few more days. So just look for the buying option only. So this is a big range we have got for tomorrow. So we have to be very careful, because if the range is very big also, it will be somewhat confusing. We don't know if it is trading in the midpoint. If it is trading in this middle range somewhere here, so it will not show whether it will be coming down here or it will be going up. So we have to be very cautious in taking the intraday trade if it is trading in the here. So zone is very big, almost 150 point zone here. So be very cautious in taking the intraday, and most possibly look for the buying option only. Don't think about the selling. Okay. So this is what we are seeing in the Nifty. And let me go to the Bank Nifty also. So okay, Bank Nifty, what we have done yesterday, we have plotted these levels, and we have assumed that the Bank Nifty will be trading in this zone only. So as we mentioned, it is traded exactly in that zone only. Okay, so let me take out this zone so that we can read the price action very carefully. So what we are observing here is, yesterday what we mentioned, this black line that is around 43,120 will be the key decider for the Bank Nifty. That means if it gets the support here, then there is a more chance of Bank Nifty moving towards the all-time high. Otherwise, it may fall down. So that is what has happened. So initial first 5-minute candle, it got the support, but the retesting of that support is failed, and slowly they started falling, and they almost reached to the support level which we have plotted, that is around 42,900. So after that is a key support level which we have planned yesterday, and from there only again buyers started taking up the Bank Nifty towards the upside direction slowly until this point of time. Actually, this particular buying is not very strong buying. I mean, we cannot be very confident that it will go up, because at any point of time they can make the lower high and they may come down to the support again. But luckily what they did not give much time to the sellers. After getting the pure bearish candle, complete red candle here, they did not give much time to the sellers also. Immediately, this complete buying candle has moved to the different zone, which nobody expected. This is the key turning point for the Bank Nifty for the day. So nobody might have expected that this particular candle will be, this particular buying will be happening at this point of time, because everybody are still assuming that there will be a chances of making lower high and coming back to the support again. But out of all our assumptions or expectations, this is the complete, I can say somewhat a manipulated move also. But okay, we cannot confirm it from our side, but because a retail trader or a common man will not be think about buying the Bank Nifty at this point of time. So only the big players can do it, and they can move Bank Nifty in this way. So this is what has happened. This is the key turning point, I can tell, in the Bank Nifty. And immediately from there on, they started buying continuously, and they reached almost closer to the all-time high again. So apart from this move, what we can tell here is Bank Nifty also is in very good position. I mean, that means it is completely in the hands of buying side again. So though after getting the heavy selling pressure during first half of the session, right, after, if you see the way they fell down, is also very only selling, not a buying attempt. Very strong buying attempt has not happened. So from here they started falling, and they continuously fell up to the support, and here they did not give chance to the selling side. So it is somewhat a kind of roller coaster move, so falling down and coming up again. But overall, finally, by the end of the closing, closing candle is completely in favor of the buying. It is closed above the day high. That means it is a very good sign for the buyers. And also this support which it took today, that is 42,900, is very key important support for Bank Nifty. So that has proven it's again. So for now, what we can tell here is tomorrow, here also same thing. Don't look for the selling the Bank Nifty, even though if you see somewhat a downward moment. So look for the buying option only, since it is almost reached closer to the all-time high again. So there are chances tomorrow also they may keep trying to break this level again. So they may try to go up and make a new all-time high. So based upon the move, whatever they are doing here, depends on it. After that move only, we can decide whether it will be sustaining above that level or it will fall from there. And again, will it be coming to the intermediate support and resistance level. This black line is the intermediate level for us, because here when the Bank Nifty is trading below, it is giving resistance, and if it is trading above, it is giving support. So still we can consider this to understand the momentum of in the Bank Nifty. So here also very big zone, just like Nifty. So we have got somewhere around 42,900 to 43,300 or 330. So roughly almost 450 points. So very huge zone here also. We have to be very careful in the trading. Intraday trading will be very much cautious for tomorrow, because very huge zones in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So here also in simple, two key levels, but this level will not be coming into the picture, I hope, because of this buying what we are seeing here. So I think Bank Nifty may not be coming to this point again, especially tomorrow. Most possibly either gap up opening or to make a new all-time high, or spending some time in this closer to the all-time high level. So they may spend some time here, or they may make a new all-time high again and retest this level, that is 43,385. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. But both the places, with Nifty and Bank Nifty, look for buying option. Don't think about selling. And both are trying to make the new all-time highs. So taking buying position also very much risky. So risky in the sense, you should know what could be the target to take. If you want to take the position, you should know the target also. So without knowing the target, it will be somewhat risky. So that's the reason I'm saying in that way. So have the target planned before taking the position and be on the buying side. So don't think about the selling. So that is what we can understand from the price action that we are seeing in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I hope this explanation is very much helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.